Welcome folks once again, and yeah, it's been a minute since we did the tutorial here, but I'm back, and I tell you, it's like, yeah, I'm back fully. We're going to do a lot of stuff. There's more stuff lined up for you. Kindly, before we start, remember to subscribe to this channel, and I promise there are a lot of good content lined up for you. Okay, so before today, we're having a very interesting tutorial actually. This tutorial, I thought about it because most of the people have been asking which is the best tool, graphical manipulation tool, like Photoshop or Gimp, which we can try and learn for free and having great features like Photoshop and Gimp. And so today, folks, I bring to you this tutorial on a tool called Krita. So this is Krita. Krita is a very nice graphical application for which you can do a lot of edits and manipulations graphically, and this tool, it has a lot of nice features which you can buy from. First of all, it's completely free to use, and when I talk about free to use, it's also open source, so you don't have to worry about anything. When I installed Krita for the first time, I was very happy because it has an easy learning curve, and Krita is not overwhelming with features. As you can see, it has a very nice UI, clean interface. You can just learn very fast. The learning curve is very smooth. You see the menu is well laid out. Features are not cluttered, like you can choose from whatever you want, and it's a whole lot of rich features. You can see here on the side pane, and it is also nice layout. For example, you can also import plugins. For example, you can import the Python plugin here, and if you have worked with the other tools, I think when you come to Krita, and then you'll find it far much interesting and easy to learn compared to other tools, and it's very powerful. Don't underestimate it because of its simplicity. It's very powerful. You can see it's powered by KDE, and yeah, it has a huge community and support. Documentation also well laid out. The Krita website and the source code, so it means it's open source, as I told you earlier on. So we can just head to the website and we can see what it is about this Krita. So as you can see, Krita website, stunning website, and we have the system requirements. So for Krita, you require operating system Windows 8.1 or higher, RAM 4GB or higher, and OpenGL 3.0 or higher. And basically most of you are having these features. And to mention, Krita is supported in Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So regardless of the operating system you use, it supports the three major operating systems available in the market right now. And yeah, it's based on KDE, which is Linux. It means Linux, it's home base, but it also supports Windows and Mac OS. So you can download it from this website depending on your version of operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. And also, you can, if you're on Linux, there are various options. The app image, if you're on Ubuntu and its derivatives, you have the Ubuntu PPA. You have also Flatpak, and those on Gentoo, you can download it here. And I have to mention that Krita works well on graphical tablets, so it supports Wacom. So if you have a tablet, I mean, you can do a lot of stunning features because of the stylus pen, and the accuracy in doing that is far much more as compared to using it on a laptop. But I don't mean that it's not good on laptop. It's also stunning. For example, I've used it for 2 months or so, and I can say so far I haven't seen any complaints about it. And so guys, that was it. You drop your comments and share this video, like, and please don't forget to subscribe, because guys, that's what keeps me moving. As I told you, there's a lot of content lined up for you this time round, so please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, share the video, and spread the love. Thanks you guys for this opportunity. Until we meet again, peace, bye.